Today I'm going to be showing you guys the part 5 on how to solve a 3x3. So in part 5 of the beginner tutorial, first solve the last layer. So all of the yellow is going to complete it. So first, you first do a algorithm. It is not the same as this one, but F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F. So that will make you a square. And then now, do the algorithm again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And now you have a line. Have the line in the horizontally, and then do the algorithm again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then now you have the fish case. If you had the fish case, then do the algorithm, which is this one, with the fish head on the left top. And then you have another fish, do it again. And you have it done. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like the video for more upcoming videos. Bye!